Is seeking knowledge better than praying at night?
This similar question was asked to Shaykh 𝗕𝗏𝗁𝗁𝗲𝗏. He goes, why don't you do both? So, you can pray and you can also seek knowledge. So, to clarify, is it better to pray Qiyamul Layl rather than seek knowledge? But I did say, I answered that. I said, a person is able to seek knowledge and also Qiyamul Layl. If you can combine the two, 𝗦𝗲𝗏𝗶𝗴𝗏 وَالْمَتَى مَا أَمْكَنَ إِلَّا فَلِلْخِيرِ نَصْرِ الْبُيِّنَ. Remember all the time, to try to do acts of worship together takes precedence over choosing one over the other. So, tarjih is later. And another thing I want you to remember is, another thing I would like you guys to remember is, there are situations where you're going to be forced, okay? You're going to be forced in that situation to have to not pray Qiyamul Layl, because maybe you've got a lesson or a lecture or something. You can't say, I don't want to do the lecture, I want to pray Qiyamul Layl, for example, because the Qiyamul Layl is better, so the amal which is mutahaddi, teaching that knowledge and benefiting the people, is better than you doing your act of worship by yourself, because this encompasses other people. Does that make sense? Versus you praying for your own self. That's a different situation. What about the story of Imam Ahmad and Shafi'i, where he spent the night studying instead of praying? Now, so again, praying, Qiyamul Layl is a virtuous action. Imam Ahmad said, there is not, after the 5 daily prayers, a prayer better than what? Qiyamul Layl. But also Ahmad himself said, no, Sufyan al-Thawri said, لا شيء أفضل بعد الفريضة من طلب الحديث. And Ahmad just added one thing to it after that. He said, لمن صحت نيته. There is nothing after the obligatory acts better than seeking knowledge. So Qiyamul Layl falls under this, right?